Alright, I'm going over mostly the words that I have come to understand from archaeology and videos, and from understanding how things work in terms of a definition from various reasons. So in the beginning you would say 300 astronomian particles would move to the left and to the right, and they would separate, and those two would make a harmonic shape to the left and to the top of themselves, as both of them would move to the left and to the right over here, as you can see in that cloud and that just flew by. That was a Humbrian particle. It moved to the left going south, and then it would be in space. It will move to the x-axis, the y-axis, and 14 other axes. Those axes will go to Humbrian axes, which isn't even in definitions of x, y, and z in the coordination in the shape. It will be a coordination in 300 shapes of a face, which is not human or any animal. It would be a face that you would recognize as a rock's face. That was a type of the face. And as most of the Nicarian shapes, which would be a shape that's not Euclidean or primitive shapes, it will be a shape that has 16 million points, 900 million axes, and 700 billion different vertices per each square inch. That would move to the left, and that would move to the right. And that's about it. Thanks.